Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I'm going to explain about my database experiment number 7. So experiment number 7 is totally dependent on P and SQL programming. So in this we have two trigger and cursor. So before starting our experiment, I should tell you what is trigger. Trigger is nothing but a special kind of programming, a special kind of procedure that automatically execute when an event is occur in the database server side. And cursor is like a pointer to control the contents area, and the PLSQL control the contents area through the cursor. So now we can start our experiment. So here in first point we need to write the application if the student try to enroll the same course for the more more than one time. So this is my experiment that I did. Yes. So first, what is syntax? Create or replace trigger than trigger name. So trigger name I'm given T1 before insert means before insert any value on the inquiry. For every each row I am declaring code inquiry dot course code. That is type I'm given because we don't know in our database which type of we given data. So here type we are given, so automatically it will handle. So begin. So select codes code into code from query where codes code equal to 10. So if 10 is already there, then I am giving my rice application have already exist. So here I am inserting one value, insert into inquiry values I am given here value I am given as a course code as a 10. So when I insert is giving me one error that is already register. That message I here given. So second is create a trigger to delete the record in the enrollment table corresponding row to the remove from the inquiry. So here we need to create trigger for deleting. So same syntax we need to create or replace trigger T2 before deleting our inquiry for each row delete begun. If delete then dbms output dot put line row is deleted with quotes and then old value deleted value we need to tell. So delete from query where inquiry number 1003. So deleted. So row is deleted with course code is 10. So old table course code, old one that deleted course code is showing that is 10. For third one, what is create a trigger that will inform you to update the fees at the last day of the current year? Yes. So here update batch. First, we need to create or replace trigger 3 before update on batch for every which declare begun. If updating, then dtms output dot pull line you can update the fees at the last day of the current year. Then new dot course fee. Then new course fees I am printing. So update batch set course fee 6,000 where course code equal to 20. So same thing you can update the fees at the last day that message is showing at the new dot course fee. New course fee that is 6,000. Then create a cursor to display the average fee on the each row. Now cursor starts. So for that we have declare CNT number type I am given cursor C1 is select average for finding average course score from batch and group by group course. So here I am going by group course. So begin. First we need to open, then we need to fetch through CNT. And then for average we need to display DTMS output dot put line average is CNT because my result is stored in CNT. So it's displaying average is 5,000. So procedure successfully completed. Next select stuff from batch for displaying the for display the batch. Next create a cursor program which update as follow. If the enrollment is the two course, give discount of 2% for course fee of batch the course. So for that we need to declare um, batch codes, batch code enrollment, batch code type. Then course C2, C2 is select batch code into B code from enrollment where roll number is given. So begin, we need to begin with open C2 loop. I am using update batch set course fee equal to course fee minus 0.2 because 22% because 2%, so 2.2 into course fee where batch code equal to batch code and fetch C2 into batch code and exit when C2 is not found. And for output table is modify B code and loop. and when table is modified 001, 102 and 103 MPOCL is completed. And last, for showing display, for printing our Patis value, select stuff from batch. So this is my end spool off. Thank you. I hope you understand this experiment number 7.